Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry asparagus. First, let's get our asparagus ready. Choose about 1 pound of fresh, firm spears for 2 to 3 people. You'll want to snap off the woody ends. They usually break right where the tender part begins. Then, cut the green stalks into 2-inch pieces. A quick wash under cold water and a pat dry will ensure they're perfect for cooking. This simple prep makes all the difference for a delicious stir-fry. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 1 tablespoon of your favorite stir-fry oil, like sesame or vegetable, in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add about 1 teaspoon each of minced garlic and ginger. Stir-fry these aromatics for just 30 seconds until they smell amazing. Then, toss in your prepped asparagus pieces. Stir-fry for 3 to 5 minutes until they are a vibrant green and perfectly tender crisp, still having a nice bite. To elevate the flavor, let's make a quick sauce. Combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper and a splash of water or chicken broth to thin it slightly. Pour this delicious mixture over your hot asparagus in the pan. Stir quickly to ensure every piece is evenly coated. Cook for just 1 more minute, letting the sauce thicken beautifully and cling to the tender asparagus. Your delicious stir-fried asparagus is now ready. Serve it immediately while it's hot and fresh, making a fantastic side dish. For a little extra touch, you can garnish it with some toasted sesame seeds or a pinch of red pepper flakes if you like a bit of heat. This versatile dish pairs wonderfully with steamed rice, noodles, or any protein you choose. Enjoy this quick, healthy, and incredibly flavorful addition to your meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.